what kind of like clubs are you guys all involved in? Because I know UND has a lot.
Yeah.
I like to go to women in business meetings and the marketing club meetings when I have time. They're on Tuesday nights. A lot of times they're at the same time.
Oh, no.
So you kind of have to like pick and choose, but yeah, they're fun, really informative, always super welcoming. And a lot of the professors will offer, like for marketing at least, like I know Brady McRae, like he offers extra credit if you go to marketing club meetings.
Yeah.
And he'll pop over in there as well, and there's a sign-up sheet, and you just put your name down.
That's awesome.
And yeah, he'll give you extra credit just for going, and you're learning a lot from those meetings that you wouldn't think that you're actually going to learn. Like, you'd think that you'd learn that in college, but there's just like outside experience from people already in the field,
Yeah.
coming in and talking or whatever the case is, and yeah, they're really informative.
Yeah, I do a lot of the same stuff because of marketing. I also do choir, which is really fun. It's technically a class, but I do it like 4 days a week, so that's my big club. And because I did it all throughout high school, and I was like, I need to go somewhere that has a choir, so I did that. And then I also do information systems club, and I'm on University Senate, so.
There we go. Also, along with like all the marketing stuff that's already been mentioned, I think my favorite would be like intramural sports.
Yes.
Yes.
Which ones are you on?
So basketball is the one that I was doing the longest, but now I'm coaching my friend's hockey team, so that's just a fun.
Do you go in like suit and everything? You get the clipboard?
Yes, I dress up. And
100%.
we've been doing that for probably 2 years straight. It's super fun. It brings friend groups together too, so we'll take it super seriously, as you should. Playing Division III intramural hockey.
I'm on a club team, and you catch me, I get the colored laces, the tinted visor. I go full Alexander Ovechkin style. So there with my wood stick, like ready for it, never score.
Yeah.
But it just brings people together like that, yeah.
Me and my assistant coach just get our suits pressed and all that, just our ties.
You get like benching people, you're like, you're cut. Come on, get off the ice.
You're done. Yeah, so I think that was like at least that's probably the most fun like involvement piece I've been a part of.
Yeah. I'm in a sorority. I'm in Kappa Alpha Theta on campus, which is really fun. That's been an awesome opportunity. There's also, like, I was able to get a lot of leadership experience through it, which I was not expecting, but it was awesome. I'm a part of student government. I'm the student body vice president, so that's been really great. A huge learning experience because I chair the Senate now, and I didn't even know what that was this time last year. So it's awesome. I'm part of the medical lab science club. Used to do book club. That's a sleeper. That one's really fun. I don't have time for it anymore, but it's really awesome. So lots of cool opportunities.
I'm only in a few. This is my senior year. I'm president of speech and debate team. I'm on Mortar board, in pre-law society. It's kind of a given. It's kind of for my major, obviously. I'm on my was on my intramural hockey team now that it's spring. And then I'm on ROTC as well. So that one's a nice one.
But I guess for people that are interested in like student involvement on that side, what were your experiences just throughout like the council and stuff like that? Would you recommend people like going to
fraternity or sorority or student government?
I'd say student government, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I think it was the most beneficial thing I did at my time here at UND. I have met so many different people through it, whether that's like the senators who are representing like off campus or their respective colleges, or administrators, because I kind of serve as a liaison between like administrators and the students. It's been a huge learning curve like that, and learning how to public speak. That's been a great opportunity, learning more about how our university operates, where student fees are going, and getting to be kind of a I don't necessarily write bills and resolutions, but senators, if you want to run for an off-campus or any housing spot, you're able to kind of dictate where your money goes and say this is what's important to students. So that's been really, really important, and I think more people should get involved with it, because I don't think a lot of people know. I didn't know about it until I was approached about it. So I think we need to do a better job of like educating.
That's what I thought. I think it took a couple of
Yeah.
years being here to like get some friends who I noticed were running for it to like start noticing.
Yeah.
So I think that's a cool thing that I think even incoming students should be aware of, just to like know
100%.
that there is a
big
thing,
organization.
And
there's a
body.
big organization putting work into that kind of stuff.
And representing you. And if you have an issue, you're able to go to those people and say, hey, this is what's going on. And even if you're not a senator, you're able to be on different committees and that sort of thing. So there's always a way to get involved. Reach out to student government if you do want to get involved. So.